Hey there, food lovers. Picture this: golden, charred corn tossed in a creamy, tangy sauce, topped with crumbly cheese and a squeeze of fresh lime. It's the ultimate fresh explosion that will make your taste buds dance. This Mexican street corn salad is so irresistible, you'll want to make it every week. Welcome to today's recipe for the best Mexican street corn salad. It's quick, easy, and impressively flavorful, turning simple veggies into a comforting side dish that's ready in just 15 minutes. This salad captures the street food vibe with its creamy dressing and charred corn, making it perfect for busy families or summer gatherings. What makes it special is the fresh burst of lime and spices that elevate everyday ingredients. Now, let's go over the ingredients you'll need: 4 ears of fresh corn, or 4 cups frozen corn kernels, thawed, half a cup mayonnaise, half a cup sour cream, half a cup crumbled cotija cheese, or feta as a substitute, a quarter cup finely chopped fresh cilantro, 1/2 red onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 limes juiced, about a quarter cup, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, and salt and black pepper to taste. Gather these up, and let's get cooking. First, let's start with the prep work to make everything smooth and efficient. Shuck the 4 ears of corn and remove the silks, then carefully cut the kernels off the cob using a sharp knife. Aim for about 4 cups of fresh, juicy kernels that feel crisp under your fingers. Next, finely chop 1/2 red onion and a quarter cup of fresh cilantro, releasing their pungent aroma that fills the kitchen with a fresh, herbal scent. Mince 2 cloves of garlic until it's fragrant and ready to add a punch of flavor. In a small bowl, mix together half a cup mayonnaise, half a cup sour cream, the juice from 2 limes, about a quarter cup, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika until it forms a creamy, smooth dressing that clings beautifully to your spoon. While you're prepping, the colors of the cilantro and onion will brighten up your counter, making you excited for the flavors ahead. Now, onto the first cooking phase, charring the corn for that smoky, irresistible flavor. Heat a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius, and add a tablespoon of oil until it shimmers and starts to smoke slightly. Listen for that sizzle as you add the corn kernels. Spread them out evenly and let them sear for 4 to 5 minutes without stirring, allowing them to char and develop golden brown spots that smell sweet and toasty. Stir occasionally for another 3 to 4 minutes until the kernels are tender and have a slight crunch, watching for that perfect caramelization without burning. The corn will release a wonderful, earthy aroma that signals it's ready. Aim for a mix of soft and crispy textures that make this dish pop. Keep the heat steady, and use a spatula to flip them gently for even cooking. While the corn is cooling slightly, let's build on those flavors in the second phase by combining everything into a harmonious mix. Transfer the charred corn to a large bowl and add the chopped red onion, minced garlic, and cilantro, tossing them together to distribute the ingredients evenly. Now, pour in that creamy dressing we prepped earlier and stir gently for about 1 to 2 minutes until everything is well coated. The sauce will thicken slightly as it clings to the warm corn. For a pro tip, if you like it spicier, add a finely chopped jalapeno here for an extra kick without overpowering the fresh lime notes. As you mix, the colors will meld beautifully, and the aromas of garlic and lime will intensify, creating layers of smoky, creamy, and zesty flavors that make this salad unforgettable. Let it sit for a minute or two to let the tastes marry. For the final touches, sprinkle in the half a cup of crumbled cotija cheese and give it a gentle toss to let it melt slightly into the creamy base, adding a salty, tangy crunch. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed, squeezing in a bit more lime if you want that extra zing. Plate the salad in a colorful bowl, garnishing with a few extra cilantro leaves and a dash of chili powder on top for visual appeal. The finished dish looks vibrant with golden corn kernels, flecks of green cilantro, and a glossy, creamy coating that promises a fresh, mouth-watering experience. As you admire it, the smell of charred corn and lime will make your kitchen feel like a street food haven, with textures ranging from crunchy veggies to smooth creaminess. Now, let's talk about the taste. This salad is a symphony of textures and flavors, with the charred corn providing a sweet, smoky crunch that contrasts perfectly with the cool, creamy dressing. Each bite reveals layers of tangy lime, spicy chili, and salty cheese that create a fresh explosion on your tongue, making it incredibly addictive and satisfying. The garlic and onion add a subtle sharpness that balances the richness, while the cilantro brings a bright, herbal note. For variations, try adding grilled chicken for a main dish or swapping in Greek yogurt for a lighter version. It stores well in the fridge for up to 2 days, though it's best enjoyed fresh. Pair it with grilled meats or as a standalone side for busy families looking for quick, delicious meals. I can't wait for you to try this Mexican street corn salad and share your results in the comments below. Let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes every day, and stay tuned for tomorrow's easy dinner idea. Happy cooking!